How are you then, Bramble? Good girl. Well then guys, and hi there. And as you can see, I'm back out today with my wife Claire.
Hello.
And it has been a while since our last video. But we're out today. We're heading over to our little bushcraft retreat. And we're going to spend a little bit of time chilling in nature. We're going to cook something to eat on the fire and just enjoy being out in a natural setting. But we can't believe how much the woodland's overgrown. Put your foot down near that rock. Looks stunning, doesn't it? You go down that way, don't you? Don't you go underneath there and across?
Oh, yeah.
Right, Claire's going that way, and I'm just going to head on this way. Doesn't look so bad there, Claire. We're not videoing you in case you fall in. Right, we'll leave Claire to it. Oh. Yeah, let's just make our way through to camp. There we go. Everything looks pretty much as we left it the last time we were here, which is like a while ago. Right, I'm going to put yous down now and I'm going to get this pack off. But there we go. There's camp. We've got the raised fire pit. We've got our shelter. We've got our main fire pit. And then we've got the stream.
At least everything's still standing.
Oh, that's a bonus, isn't it?
Yes, isn't it?
Yeah, looking well, isn't it?
Yeah, looking smart.
It's just nice to be out in the woods, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Right, shall we crack on?
Yeah.
We'll get sorted out and get this fire lit up. My son's bought me one of these fire anchors from TGM Metalworks. So today we're going to get a fire going in the main fire pit and try this out because I've not had a chance to use it yet. So we'll get that in there and that goes into that bit, and we'll get this, what the pan will sit on, into there, and put the pan on there and we'll cook over the fire. There we go, perfect. And then we'll put that one on to make a brew. It'll spin around, kettle on, pan on for the sausages. Happy days. We'll get this fire lit. Right, let's get this fire going. What we're going to do is just use some of these wood wool twist things, and I've brought this kit out today from Forest Fundamentals, and it's just a ferro rod and a bit of jute twine, and we get a spark on that obviously, and use it to ignite the fire. So we'll get that, get some twigs to one side there. Let's get a spark on that. I think we need to fluff that up a little bit more. I think that's what we're supposed to do. Let's see if we can get a spark on it. First go, awesome. Right, we'll get these wood wool things in. We use two because it's been wet the last few days, so everything's possibly quite damp. Keep that end out the way, we don't like that, need that too. There we go. I think what we do is just pull that back out there. Right finger, just damp that, make sure that's out. and that one at the back. I'll just put a few of these twigs over there and we'll get this fire going. Like I said earlier, the insects are starting to bite a little bit now. Got the bigger ones ready. There we go. There we go. But there we go. You can see steam coming out the spout. Looks like we've got a boil, so we're going to get a brew made and just sit back and enjoy that, and then get some sausages cooked. Well, the fire's burning down nicely, and get some oil on, ready for getting these sausages on, because we're both getting quite hungry. Not like us to be hungry in the woods, like, is it? No. Right, the sausages opened. We've got some nice pork and what were they? Pork and chive, that's it. Pork and chive sausages from the local butchers. We'll cut them, de-link them. They look delicious, don't they?
They do.
Let's have it. Oh, listen to that. We'll probably lower that shortly. There we go. There we go. Oh, it's sticking a little bit there. They're cooking nice, all them, aren't they? I don't think it'll be much longer, you know. There's that rain again. I just felt it on my head. Like that. There we go. There we go, cooking away nice. Let's try those sausages.
Sausages, nice. Gorgeous.
From a local butcher. They're really nice. I think the pan needs a little bit more seasoning, so it doesn't stick so much. Nice. I think we're going to just sit here, enjoy these, probably make another cuppa, and just enjoy being outside in nature. Just a nice way to spend an afternoon. Well, I didn't expect you to get that close. Right. Well then, guys, them sausage sandwiches were absolutely fantastic, and we are absolutely stuffed now, aren't we? They were delicious, and it's been great getting out. So it was just a little bit of a reset, a little bit of an afternoon at our Woodland Bushcraft Basecamp. But yeah, it's good to go out, good to get out. Morning in church and the afternoon out here. What could be better? Perfect. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you have enjoyed the video and getting out with us. And we hope to see you again soon. And bye for now.
Bye
Stay
for
safe,
now.
and we'll see you on the next one. Go on then.
But
Go on then. Bossy boots. Go on.
I'll remember. No, I don't want to.
No, I don't want to. Claire's saying remember to subscribe. Bye for now.